For centuries, the legends have passed through generations of a force more powerful than a double martini on an empty stomach. The very thought of such a vile force could turn a stomach sour faster than a hot sun curdles a gallon of buttermilk. If you see the signs and hear her nagging cries, you may be too late.
Hey, Sir Rick, what you reading there?
I'm reading about putting weeds in your cocktail. I have these weeds in my neighborhood. I think we're going to have us an adventure today. And while we do it, I think I'm going to film nature, man. Nature. But you know what? First, we have to have ourselves a shot. And today, I picked up Yellow Spot. I am going to have a shot of Yellow Spot before I go get my weeds.
Cool. Ready to see some nature?
Ready for another one of these. But yeah, let's go see some nature. Yep, I'm going to be able to find my weeds today. This is looking good. This is going to be a heck of a cocktail. Oh, she's all the way out here. Oh my God, what am I going to do?
She's never come looking for you out here. You don't think she'd actually be out here, do you?
I don't know. I don't know. That's a heck of a sign right there. We better be careful. Oh.
There's another one here.
Son, I'm concerned.
It's almost like she's been here.
I think she's after us.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Over there.
We're gonna have to be sneaky here. We can't let her see us. Yeah, let's look up here and let's see what we got.
Whoa. That's a big one.
Oh my God, I think we've been found.
We need to get out of here.
Quick. Hey, come on. I know a place where she'll never find us. Whew, God. Come on, keep up. Whew. Son of a Rick, this is what I was telling you about. She'll never find us here. And the weeds back here, man, it'll make those 420 guys jealous.
I've never smoked strain like that.
Just wait. Oh, look at the berries.
What kind of berry would you say that is?
That's a purple berry. Yeah, just over that hill, son of a Rick, that's where the real weeds are. Did you hear that?
Oh my God.
Happy Halloween. Every October, I whip up a drink for all the adult trick-or-treaters. Maybe it's sugar, maybe it's poison, but they never ask questions. Why, they say, why, he wouldn't even hurt a fly. But if I take the first shot, surely it must be safe. Wouldn't want to put myself in harm's way. In my test tube cocktail glass. Today's cocktail is the Corpse Reviver #1. You see, a couple years ago, we brought back Mr. Bones from the grave with the Corpse Reviver #2. Mr. Bones, you're looking a bit dry. Try this drink. It's the Corpse Reviver. These drinks were originally made for hangover remedies, something to bring you back to life from a harrowing night out. Half-ounce sweet vermouth, 1 ounce of cognac. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Oh, there ain't nothing like a good cognac. One ounce of Calvados, but first, we have to have ourselves a shot. It's Calvados. And that's a Corpse Reviver number 1. Today's word of wisdom is stockpile. For those of us living in Florida, we just had a visit from an unwelcome guest, Hurricane Ian. Don't worry, the only thing flooded here was my liver. But I did go to the store the day before to grab some batteries and some water. Funny thing about impending doom, it helps you see people's true colors. As I walked around the store, I found no water, no canned food, and no batteries. But there were other items wiped out as well. I guess no one can survive 2 days without fruit roll-ups, Doritos, or Bud Light. No, just the essentials. That's what I love about approaching threats. They show you what truly matters to a person, where their heart really is. I hate when I miss.